As the day comes to an end, it's time for you to settle down and enjoy those delicious cookies you've just made. Sitting in your favorite nook of the house with the light peeking through the windows, it's time for you to settle down, relax, read your book. As you faintly smile, knowing you've made these cookies from scratch.
Hello everyone, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Thank you for joining me. I'm here to help you bake. If you're looking for something to make this Easter, I got it for you. We're gonna be using Cadbury Easter eggs to make a delicious cookie with browned butter. You're gonna love it, your family's gonna love it. You can bring it to the party, they'll love you for it. Let's remember, 2 sticks of butter will be half of this brick, okay? Half of a brick is 1 cup. Now, always remember this, 454 grams is this butter. This is 1 pound of butter. So in any recipe you're using, if they ever call for 1 pound of whatever the case may be, it's 454 grams. So 454 grams of butter is 2 cups. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna cut straight down the middle. Now it's best practice to use a scale. Sticks. I'm gonna go ahead and put that right in our pot. Right in our pot. Now as we measure the other ingredients, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the stove. By the time we're done, we should have the butter browned and ready to go, and we'll allow it to chill. Let's be honest. This is the imperfections of baking. Everyone thinks it's glitz and glamour because the end result is so beautiful and delicious, but it's not the case. Alright, so let's go with 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Now, I need to get some organizers for all of my baked goods. Let's say my flours, my sugars. So if you guys have any recommendations of what I should grab, let me know down below in the comments. Because right now I'm just, this is it. What was that noise? Cup of sugar. But yes, this is what it looks like, okay? It's not perfect, thin guys, but it doesn't matter if the end result is delicious. We use pure vanilla extract, so the artificial stuff just doesn't do it for me. It's different. I just hit my lip. Cool. Okay, now that's in 1 bowl. The sugars, we're gonna go in with 3 cups. And I used the back of the knife to level out my measuring cup. I've been thinking about getting those. They're the glass containers. They look very aesthetically pleasing. Okay, 3 cups. Untisk. 1 and 1. You know? Now the salt brings out flavor. That's the whole point of salts. Salt isn't meant to make things taste salty. It's meant to bring out flavor. Now we finished everything and butter is done. Obviously we have to let this cool. But make sure you get all the brown bits. That, all the brown bits, that's what you want. Sprayed. How do you flavor from it? Voila. So let's recap. We got both our sugars in 1 bowl. Now the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna add the 2 eggs to this bowl, and we're gonna whisk it rigorously. We're going to add our brown butter. We're not going to strain. We want all those brown little beautiful bits in there. And then we're going to slowly add the flour, and you can do this all by hand. You can use a stand mixer, you can use an electric hand mixer, but totally okay to use your hand. So I'm actually going to add the vanilla with the butter right now. A teaspoon of it. I just kind of want to let it to soak up all that flavor. The room automatically smells like vanilla. That's amazing. Just delicious. Oh, I love vanilla cake. I love vanilla scent, vanilla candles, as long as it's not too pungent and fake smelling. We're going to make our dough. We're allowing the butter to cool down for a bit. And once we're done with that, I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. While it's in the fridge, I'm going to preheat the oven to 350. Now you can make this dough ahead of time. Put them in the oven for 15 minutes tops. Depending on your oven, how hot it gets will differentiate. Cool, and then I'll be back to show you guys what we're gonna do next. We're using these bad boys. Cream eggs. This is going to be the chocolate chip of our cookie.